Okay, this is a vlog for people who keep on hurting me, and to those people who keep on hurting my private, and to those people who keep on doing sex sounds. I tell you this, if you keep on letting that into your life, in your whole being, you are losing your flesh, spirit, and soul. It's like you're allowing your free will to be bended towards Satan's scheme. I always said this before in all my videos, that thoughts like that, it comes from Satan. If you keep on doing that, I tell you this one, you need a general spiritual deliverance. If I were you, go rehab yourself in a rehabilitation center and ask spiritual leaders to help you. If you keep on doing that, and what do you call that, you're involving other people, you're stealing, you're pushing someone to sin, I tell you this, you're losing yourself to Satan. I tell you that. You've been rebuked, you've been refuted, you've been helped, you've been prayed, but it's you. It's your choice to do it anymore. You see, my heart is big. I want to help, but you keep on abusing it. You are creating problems that I don't have. I don't have any problem in my body. And what else? Oh my gosh, I tell you this, you need a general spiritual deliverance. You need a general health deliverance. You are sexually addict already. You're pushing someone. I don't know why you're doing that to me. I don't know why you're pushing that to me. All your addiction, you're involving me in your stupidity. You are, you want me to participate in your stupidity. Yes, your choice. You've been given chances. You've been given choices, yet no change of behavior. I tell you this, if I were you, go volunteer yourself in a professional rehabilitation center. Rehabilitate your whole being. And you know what? Just one thing, I'm not the one who can solve that. Only God can solve your problems if you let Him be. Let Jesus Christ be your Lord. Don't let Satan fool you. Don't let that goddesses of blank and gods of blank fool you. If you keep on letting it in, then it's your choice. I always said you need a general whole being deliverance. That's all. Thank you.